Hi guys, it's Sarah with Audio Video Charlotte. We're here to talk about a custom installation. This is our part 2 video. All right, back for part 2. In part 1 of our video, it's on YouTube. Go check it out if you haven't seen it. We had a client call us about some water damage in their ceiling and we needed to repair some in-ceiling speakers. We also installed a Samsung Frame TV for this client. Let's dive deeper and check it out.
As you can see by the console, it is very tidy, very quiet. If I open these doors up, you will see that inside we have managed to get in the new surround receiver, surge protection, RF base station, cable box, One Connect cable, Sonos port, cooling fans, and an Apple TV, all making the magic happen.
We love how this project turned out, and our clients were ecstatic. And at the end of the day, that's what we're here for. Thanks for watching. And if you want to learn more about the Samsung Frame TV or any other great audio video technology, check out our website at audiovideocharlotte.com. Follow us on social media, and as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day, guys.